Reverend Isaiah Deye ni MUSKABU munene umwe wa kanisa ya Amethondisti. Deye urawe ETHIRITWE ari MUSKABU munene muwatili wa kanisa iwa thuretwo KUJUKIA KAANYA ka Reverend Joseph NTOMBURA urawe berwe nyuma ya kusheni kaita kanisa ne Reverend Deye urane wa kuma county ya Tana River na ari wa mbere kuwatila KAANYA kau ETHIRITWE nende akithurwo KURA maana yeli 84 no shinda Catherine MUTUA Dr. BUNDI na Bishop Addison MWITI parane ndipo watite KURA 35 26 na 24 MUTHIA AGATONGERIA Ponfis Mongera aina atatu nkuluki
Moroto jwakithurano kia Amethondisti gia ntukwenarwa jojo kumita kuma kiugo na kiukule Isaya imwe kamari 14 karia KAUGATIRE njoni turikania turi amwe na ndigatauriro mwako muntu kwenarwa imwe na thiri kwata jwa delegates kana rongamiri barabaringire KURA na komuthura Bishop Isaya Deye da Bishop munene wa kanisa cha Amethondisti kwa miaka 5.
Bishop Isaiah Deye becomes the presiding bishop-elect during the 58th Annual General Conference.
Bishop Isaiah Deye athurwo na KURA 281 kumakiri KURA 367 aranda Daktari Catherine MUTUA aire namba 2 na KURA 35 Daktari Justice BUNDI okuma sinodi ya Nkobo ona KURA 26 Addison MWITI okuma sinodi ya 400 ona KURA 24 na nyume kuthurwa Bishop Isaiah Deye na nenkerero mathaka jo UTONGERIA na kumakanyene ya KUGWATIRA karia atwire kuma mweri jwena.
Na wewe ukumbuke ni miaka 5, usiongeze mwezi wala kuongeza mawiki useme tunafanya kazi fulani kwa sababu hatutaki fujo kutoka leo.
Itha mbere ithurano bya mbere nabyo Bishop Justice Bundi okumurotero Nkobo no kire na karari uthimiro kuthoma kwa delegates kana rungamiri okurukira mitambo aria kwenda turatasi twandike marito jao tutwinenkanirwa kenda bathingatira muthia baba inge ibarakani anteto cha Bundi.
We need copies because we have seen minutes being doctored. You are now, the office is the custody of these names. I don't have them in soft copy. I don't have them in hard copy. We have seen this in this office. I've been here for the last 10 or so years.
The standing order is silent whether you are provided with a list or not, and I can see that projection is quite clear.
We are in the e-meeting and e-board meetings in this generation. Everyone knows that. We don't want the issues of the back days to find us in this kind of a generation, Mr. President Bishop.
Kuthurwo kwa Bishop Isaiah Deye naku kiri kithurano kiki 58 igucokete giti ya President Bishop Rotero Coast na aria kiambiririe na Bishop Ronan Mogongo aria kithirito kirotero miro maita 3 tumuthingatanio.
Sisi tunashukuru kwa sababu watu wengi wameunga mkono uchaguzi huu, na kwa sababu ya kuunga mkono kule pia sisi tuna furaha, manake cheo hiki tulikuwa tunatamani kiwe karibu na kule kwetu, ili tuwe tunajua matunda haya ya mtu kuwa presiding bishop watu wanafaidi vipi, na je injili inaweza enezwa kama presiding bishop anatoka kwenu.
Kinya barabara batuwe kaba bachita Mount Kenya bange bachita Coast Region bange bachita whatever names they give themselves na hakika abachokanira bonde.
Bishop Deye na ndinategeria methodo irigiro ni ngondu cia Ngai baba ingi bamutegerete cokire kanisa Amethondisti nkumire aurire na mugaru na withire uragutura kwithira kwina moni nkorani ntukwenarwa moni jonthe jangwanene jankoro na mwarongina nandi a Kristo baba iborite Bishop Marukire Bwana Joseph NTOMBURA ethra cokira na bamurekera na kinyawe abarekere.
NTOMBURA atare kankoloka ngetira mbeya inya kuona what is going on in the church. So today I feel I'm back home. The church have stood and built both by leadership and practically. So I thank God in heaven. Thank you so much, Lord. I'm back home.
NTOMBURA itumurekerete ginye nundu nya twamukamata itu tukanoga we pengine atirona aja ya reconcile ni antu na forgiveness yambairia na uwa wengwa. So nande for me we are forgiven. I have forgiven him though na tukurukirite kipindi giki omo na giki thoku people have cried lakini ntujo method ya teora na jonthi gatumurekere na mwathani wa bomurekera
kiwe Bishop Nde no gitakethro agitwa ntuka gucokia nkatho indi kagiteneka kana gongete na gwikira bunene mono arungamiri karanderi kisibonde bara mukoroketie antu bakancha Amethondisti ashore amwankathewe iritwe rirungamene awe na itariki 20 mweri jwa Mogwanja Bishop Isende akomba kwethurwa ithurwa ja Bishop Mogwanja kanisa cha Amethondisti na Nandi kumira ja gwitana mbere kwa miaka 5 akethurwa karita gitiki wewe nene ikwethura cokania ng'ondu cia Ngai ni nyankoroki gucirira na ruteto ngiripotera Ntoshero TV kumaja kingina ngine na kine kimshusha Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.